The sweep is 17 inches. So I go 17 and a quarter just so I know I have enough. Like that. And we'll trim this up. Here. So that's for that. And this is for that sweep. That's garbage. So let's put it all together. Get a print here. This around. We're gonna need clamps. Square this up with that weld there. And up here. Clamp it. Find your edge here. Clamp it. And there you go. Then I just do my bottom half. Fold your paper off. Grab squeegee. And just lay it down. Clamps off. Do the top half. Lay that up all the way to the top. Like that. Trim it out. That's good. There's a piece of something in there, but that's where it's staying. Sharp blade. Just run it along the edge. Try not to get into the powder coat. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I've not done this before with a camera on my head. I feel pretty silly, but I figured it's the best way to do something like this. Trim out our bumper holes. I missed that one. Come on. Come on. Nose. I'll take these holes out because I'm going to need them for reference on the radiator cover. Set this aside. Bring this up. Oh. We will just kind of line this up. I pretty much know where it's going to be off my center point, but you want to make sure you can. I usually just do this, find a line that is part of the design and roll with it. All right. That gets this one. We will take this. It's going to have to go in two pieces, so I just take it from my center and cut it in half. Bring this back. So those reference marks I just made are for that line there, which matches up with that line. So I'll put this here, hold it, find that line there, and then trim this line. This is trash. Pull some of that back. And then we'll line this back up here. And lay it. Take our backing paper off. I probably should check to see if this is even on screen. Garbage. And then just work the rest of our print into here. Got bead roll. We have coverage. Cut my bead rolls now on here, and if I don't, I'll forget. You don't have to do this, but I do. I'd rather see a nice clean cut in this than it tenting over time. Alright, this leaves enough here to go over this edge, kind of locks it in, so when you're washing it, doesn't hit an edge of with the pressure washer tip and start ripping it up. Lay that down there. That's good. Trim this out quick. And do the other side. Same thing on this side. We made our mark. We can line this up with that mark. Front of that there. Hold this in place. Find your line. Find your line with your squeegee. And favor this side of the line so you're not cutting off too much. This is garbage. We can take this back a little bit, remove some paper. Find our mark. That looks good. Lock that in there.